Hello and welcome everybody to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. In the recent videos, we have been speaking about mudras. Mudras are certain combination and formation of your fingers that can activate different glands of yours, that can activate different state of minds in you. In order to know more about mudras, you can visit our root video, which is all about mudras and how they function. The link should be somewhere right here. And today we are going to speak about a mudra that's very beneficial in throat problems. And as it solves your throat problem, it also tends to solve your ear problems at the same time. That's how powerful this mudra is. So how to do this mudra? It's pretty simple. It's one of the basic mudras. It is also known as the sky mudra. In Sanskrit astrology, this finger is related to Saturn. And when it comes to elements, this finger denotes the sky element. When this finger is joined with the tip of the thumb, which is the fire element, it balances the sky element inside our body, which means it opens up empty spaces where needed and fills unneeded empty spaces with whatever they're needed to get filled with. When you do this sky mudra for about 45 minutes, you will start noticing. If you're a meditative person, you can close your eyes and look inside. You'll start noticing that the sky inside starts to open and to expand. In the literal sense, your horizon expands, your sense of reality expands. And sky is the placenta of sound. Sky is where sounds are formed and it's where they travel. And the ear is our body part through which sound enters our body. So that's how they are somewhat related. So let me just repeat the method again. All you need to do is to join the tip of your thumb with the tip of your middle finger. And if you can droop your head down and close the axis of air in your throat like this. You'll still be breathing, you'll still be taking in air and throwing out air, but this will be more compressed. And this mudra needs to be placed on your knees with it facing towards the sky, palms up. And all you need to do is breathe. It should not take more than 15 minutes for you to realize what it's doing in your body. And whenever you do these mudras, notice if it hurts anywhere, if there's a discomfort in your body anywhere, which means that there might be a dis-ease in that part of your body, which also means that while making certain mudras, while sitting in certain mudras, you are getting rid of those problems. It might hurt, but it's healing. It might hurt, but it's healing. So when you do this, the itchiness in your throat starts to disappear. If you have tonsillitis, or if you feel like there's discomfort in your throat, all of that will slowly, gradually disappear. Try to make this a habit. Try to make practicing mudras a habit. Try to do it on a regular basis. And that's when you start reaping its full benefits. Also, if you have a locked jaw or if you have locked shoulders, this mudra helps you unlock them and ease them, right? In order to get full benefits of this mudra, it's better if you practice it at least 1 hour daily. I'm pretty sure you can give 1 hour of your day for your health, for your well-being, right? This mudra also is beneficial if you have a condition of osteoporosis, which means your bones have small tiny holes in them and your bones are getting more weaker by the day. If you practice this, your bones start getting stronger. And not only that, if you have joint pains in your body, different parts of your body ache like anything, this mudra can be helpful for that also. This was all about the sky mudra or the throat mudra. If you liked the video, if you found that this video was useful for you or for anybody else that you know, do not forget to leave a like and share this with the friends that might need this, right? If you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to press the subscribe button. Let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.